Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. First, open Google Forms and open the form you want to link to a Google Sheet. Once your form is open, click the Responses tab at the top. You'll see a green Sheets icon. This is the button to link your form with Google Sheets. Click on it. Now, you'll see that all responses are sent directly to a linked Google Sheet. The big advantage, every time someone fills in the form, their response will automatically appear in the sheet. This makes it extremely easy to organize your responses. Once it's linked, you won't need to check the form again. All responses will be available in the sheet. The sheet will be saved in the Google account that created the form. Just like any other Google Sheet, you can also share it with others. And that's it. That's how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.